Well, we're talking about metal roofing, and that's why we're joined by Jeff McCurry of Best Buy Metals. Now, Jeff, when people are looking out there to choose between shingles and metal projects, why should they do metal roofing?
Well, number one, metal roofing is it's going to give you a longevity that shingles cannot give you. Number two, you're going to find that it's going to withstand the elements a whole lot better than shingles do. We come with a high impact rating and a great fire rating, one of the highest fire ratings in the industry. So those aspects alone give the homeowner a nice peace of mind that they're not going to have to be redoing this project within 7 years or 15 years. Also, it's environmentally safe. I mean, whereas shingles over a period of time as they dilapidate and you have to have them replaced, all that product that comes off your roof, it goes into a landfill. With metal, if something goes bad, you know, and you have to pull it off or redo it, it can be fully recyclable, and shingles is not that case.
Now, when doing this kind of project, metals can be daunting to people. Is it an easier installation, though?
It's actually comparable to shingles.
Okay.
I mean, it's nothing that a good installer that both does shingles and metal would say that metal's harder to do than shingles. In fact, there's a lot of cases on certain types of roofs and designs that metal goes a whole lot quicker than shingles.
Now, if you're designing things, you want to put your own little twist and style, what kind of designs and colors can metal roofing provide?
Well, we're looking at about 24 stock colors that we stock locally at our Mooresville branch. We also offer different variations of the metal. We've got a concealed fastening system, which is called a standing seam, where you see no screws at all, 16-inch wide panels or 14-inch wide panels. We also got our 3-foot wide panel, which is our exposed fastening system. That comes in our tough rib panel, or our R panel, which is normally for commercial use only, or for some sidewalls on residential barns or such as that nature.
Now, we've been talking about roofing, but I want to ask you, is metal roofing, or metal I should say, just for roofing, or could you use it elsewhere?
Oh, you can use it elsewhere. The exposed fastening system, tough rib, you'll see that on a lot of different barn applications and stuff of that nature. One of the most popular builds nowadays is called the barn dominiums. A lot of people are doing that on barn dominiums. But we also got a new product called our board and batten siding. Absolutely gorgeous panel, looks just like your wood board and batten, but it gives you the longevity of metal.
There it is. If you have a choice to make between shingles and metal roofing's the way to go.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Jeff.
This segment of QC Morning was sponsored by Best Buy Metals.